Ay, pumunta siya dito? Muli po, happy 24th anniversary sa lahat po ng JLSMTP people. Ayang, ano daw, wait lang. Nalitawa ko pa. Maligaya ka, ano ba? Maligayang bati? Happy anniversary na lang. Anniversary. Okay. Bayan kasi hindi stop. May pero ano, first, happy 24th anniversary. Muli po, happy anniversary. Happy 24th anniversary. Sorry. And then, let's go. Asam ka. Okay.
Sayang nauna ka kanina para hindi ako pinabahan.
Muli po, happy 24th anniversary po sa ating lahat. Congratulations po sa lahat na umattend sa service po na ito at sa lahat po na nais magbigay sa ating panambahan. Maaari niyo pong kontakin ang pangalan na sa ating screen. And for our announcement, please watch our online services. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po every Sunday, 7 a.m. at Jesus is Lord Worldwide through our JL page worldwide or YouTube channel. You can also watch in our A2Z channel 11, Digitalized channel 20, Live TV channel of Blessings. Nabanggit ko ng past JL page worldwide. Sabihin ko na lang po FB Live. Sige. And for our announcement, please watch our online services. Every Sunday po, tuloy-tuloy pa rin at 7 a.m. Jesus is Lord Church Worldwide. You can watch via JL Facebook Live or YouTube channel. A2Z Channel 11, Digitalized Channel 20, Live TV Channel of Blessings. Gayun din po sa ating gawain dito po sa JL SMTP. We have our midweek online services. Una po dyan sa JL SMG page every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Every Wednesday po, 7 p.m. through JL SMTP page. Every Thursday, 7 p.m. through JL Weisenhamer page. Hindi nyo po yung makakalimutan dahil lahat po every 7 p.m. And also, we have our KKP activity every Friday at 8 p.m. via Google Meet. Every last week of the month po, tayo ay nagkakaroon po sa KKP ng FB Live. And we are glad to inform you that our Sunday services are already resumed next Sunday. So we are excited to see you. Ganun pa rin po, sinusunod po natin ang protocol dito sa loob ng church. Please bring your face shield and face mask. And for that, here our schedule. Una po, our first service, 7:30 a.m. to 8:45 a.m. Second service, 9 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. Third service, 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. See you po, and you may also contact Sister LD Pablo para po magpalista. Don't forget to like our respective pages. Una po dyan, JL SMTP, JL Weisenhamer, JL Yan, JL Children, and KKB. We also have our Children Life Group. For more information, please like our JL Children. Siyempre, lahat ng mga bata, di ba? Mga kabataan. And sa atin yan activity, SLTP. Hindi sinabay niya Ate LD. Nakalimutan ko niya. Nag-base na ako sa sinan ni Ate LD. Wala kayo. Saan? Sige, don't forget. Doon na lang ate. Don't forget to like our pages. Una po dyan, JL SMTP, JL SMG. Ayaw. Sa ayaw mo kalimutan yung kay Ate Binay. Sinunod yung SMG.
Yung SMG ko muna sa Palukan Mayan, Jessay.
Sige.
Okay. Okay, don't forget to like.
Ano din?
Sa
Palukan Mayan,
Jessay.
JSIS.
Yung yan, ano yung Young Adult
Network.
sa San Majay at San Marino. Sino yung pangalan sa page?
Sige.
Kasi hanapin nila yung Jai and
Wala.
page sa PPP ni San Marino. Oh, Cristiano yung pangalan ng page.
Okay po.
Go to net.
Don't forget. Don't forget to like our respective pages. Una po dyan, ang Jesus is Lord, San Martin de Porres, chapter. Jesus is Lord, Weisenheimer. Jesus is Lord, Sampalukan, Marian, and GSIS. Jesus is Lord, Young Adult Network. Jesus is Lord, Children. Ay, ano ba pangalan?
Ang pangalan ng mga pages ay wala pala ako.
San Martin de Porres Children.
San Martin de Porres Children. Yun po yung official name ng page pass.
Jesus Lord SMDP Children ang pangalan.
SMTP ko.
Children. Jesus Lord SMDP Children.
Jesus is Lord, San Martin de Porres. Or SMTP.
Yung Young Adult, diba ate?
Pero may SMDP number din.
Oh, Young Adult Network is JLSC.
Jesus is Lord, SMDP, Young Adult Network.
Young Adult Network SMDP siya.
Ay, nauna yung... okay.
Go to net. Tayo mo yan.
Yan ang titignan ko. Nakapinag ko sa isip ko.
Galing ng memory.
Ang pangalan niya, Young Adult Network.
Ay, wala nang JN.
Young Adult Network.
Hindi yung children din. Sa
Children, Jesus is Lord, SMDP Children.
Ito, ano na po ako yun? Ako sa ito sa hindi ako.
Young Adult SMDP Chapter, Jesus is Lord, SMDP Children. Ang BTV is
Wala ko lang JN.
Bayan
Kabataan sa bayan.
Go to net. Jesus is Lord. Sampalukan, Marian, and Jess.
Jesus is Lord.
Haba kasi ng pangalan namin.
Huwag nyo talaga kalimutan. Paulit-ulit. Pag inalimutan nyo talaga.
Sige na.
Don't forget to like our respective pages. Una po dyan, ang Jesus is Lord, San Martin de Porres. Jesus is Lord, Weisenheimer. Jesus is Lord, Hindi pala, sorry po. SMG. Jesus is Lord.
Sampalukan, Marian, and Jess.
Okay.
Ito ko na nabuntong sa Jesus is Lord. Sampalukan, Marian. Salamat po nito.
Ganun po. Don't forget to like our respective pages at Jesus is Lord, San Martin de Porres chapter. Jesus is Lord, Weisenheimer. Jesus is Lord, Sampalukan, Marian at GSIS. Yan, or Young Adult Network SMDP Chapter, Jesus is Lord SMDP Children, at ang ating Kristiyanong Kabataan para sa Bayan movement. We also have our Children Life Group. For more information, please like our JL Children page. Also, we have our exclusive group chat po para sa Young Adult Network gathering. If you want to know more about that, please contact the person na nasa screen po. And for more updates, please do like and follow po lahat ng pages natin. Tayo po ay magkakaroon na rin po talaga ng service, physical service po sa ating JL SMDB chapter. We're too excited to see you, and God bless you all po. Keep safe, everyone. Happy anniversary! Yay!
Bigyan mo na medyo masaya ang ending. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy 24th anniversary sa ating lahat. Oy lang. Nalilito talaga ako sa ating lahat. Happy anniversary. Happy 24th. Ano po ba tawag sa atin? Tao? Ayun.
Anniversary sa ating lahat. Or JLS Beauty Chapter. Again? 1, 2, 3, go.
Again, happy 24th anniversary to all JL SMDP people. I don't know.
Happy anniversary, God!
Natawa ko sa sarili ko.
Ganet.
Sa salamin.
Ganet. Wow.
Mas nakakaya pa na pag-recorded pa. Naitingnan ko na.
Ganet.
Wait lang kaya. Last line na lang tonight.
Wait lang po. Nay, wait lang. Wala po mo lang magsalita.
Again, happy 24th